Hey guys, thank you for joining us again. I'm Edwin Huerta, CEO of Shockoe.com. We are at our newest location in Scott's Edition in Richmond, Virginia. Today I have with me Michael Peter, Phil Naglieri, and Jess Sam Hunt, and we're gonna tell you more about our client, Aero Electronics. Aero Electronics is one of the largest electronics distributors in the world. They have 465 locations in 95 countries. So we're going to start with Phil. Phil, tell us more about the project, and maybe Jess and Michael can help you figure out, tell people what we did.
Yeah, absolutely. So Aero came to us looking for a mobile solution for their warehouse management system. Really impacted a couple of different types of users, so supervisors and operators. Supervisors really, stuck to their desk if they wanted to review reports, analyze data to make decisions on a daily basis. Operators dealing with old technology, so RFID scanner, small screen, and that was heavy. So we came up with a solution, a couple applications in tablet form. And the way we did that is really getting the whole team together, not just us at Shockoe, but the Aero team together in a central location, going through the processes, and really designing a solution that allows supervisors to be more efficient and more mobile and actually getting the data that they need, but also operators at the same time being more efficient and have their hands more free to handle the products. Currently we're working on phase 2 and deploying that into the current facility. We have phase 3 planning, in which we're looking at additional wearable technology so they can actually wear it on their wrists, finger scanners, potentially looking at AR, VR in the future as well. And then right now we're working at rolling out in the current facility, but also, early next year starting to roll out into other facilities across the world. But Jess, can you tell them a little bit more about the applications?
Sure. We created 2 apps that are cross-platform, one for operators and one for supervisors. The one for operators is a direct translation of Aero's WMS system into tablet form. It includes processes such as picking and cycle count, but also gives new enhancements and features such as an in-app note-taking system and a messaging system so that operators can directly contact their supervisors. And since supervisors now also have a tablet, they're more mobile and are able to come to an operator as soon as a situation arises. And another enhancement that the operators got were new technologies, which were the Bluetooth barcode scanners. They're lightweight scanners that operators can take around the warehouse and still be connected to their tablets. It also gives them freer hands to handle the products, like you mentioned before. Both of these apps have to handle a lot of data with Aero's huge warehouses. Michael, do you want to talk more about the middleware and how the app connects with the middleware to handle the data?
Sure. So Aero's warehouse data is stored across a number of Oracle instances, and we needed to translate that into something that was accessible to our front-end solution. So we decided to actually create a Node.js web layer, which interacts with Oracle in the back end behind the scenes, and then it provides a REST API, which is easily consumed by the mobile applications. As Phil said, we're in constant communication with the Aero team, and we actually work closely with the Aero Oracle developers on a daily basis. Security was also a priority from the beginning, and we needed to make sure that we were leveraging their existing secure infrastructure, and also that we were tapping into their current access control policies and authentication suite so that we could drive permissions within the app, and also that we were safely contacting Oracle by only exposing connections that the current user should rightfully be able to make.
Excellent. So it's a lot of things happening at an Oracle side and the mobile application, Bluetooth scanner, and of course managing a big team is really important to keep an eye on everything. Thank you guys for letting them know what Aero Electronics and the project we're working with. Thank you for joining us today. We love to see you again on our next showcase.